Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 1-2 Step. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to search and delete history on Instagram. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button if you've not yet. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's begin. Tap open Instagram application and sign into your account if necessary. Once you are in, at the bottom of the screen you'll be able to see a search button right beside the home screen. Give it a tap and you'll be able to see which people, accounts, hashtags and locations you've searched for recently and are interacting with the most. In order to delete the Instagram search history, you can simply tap on this cross sign at the right corner, or go to your profile at the bottom right corner, tap on the hamburger menu at the upper right corner, tap on settings from the expanded menu at the bottom, and under settings, tap on security. Under data and history, you'll be able to see search history button at the bottom, and you'll be able to see all your recent searches on Instagram. If you want to select a specific search history and delete it, then simply tap on the cross button. Since clear all will delete all the search history till date. From the pop-up, select clear all, and there you go. That is how you can easily search and delete search history on Instagram. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll see you soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.